Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, today I'm back with 4 fall Pinterest outfits, more like intro to fall if you will. 4 outfits that I have been inspired from my Pinterest board to recreate using clothes that I already have in my own wardrobe. Let's do it. These are some of my all-time favorite videos to do when I feel like I'm in an outfit slump. Whatever the case may be, if I just feel like I need some inspiration, and I just love looking at other people's outfits and getting inspiration from it. I don't know, I think it's fun. So let's go ahead and jump in. Let's start with look number 1. I loved this. I am gonna change a little bit about it. Remember, the whole premise of this video is not like replication, it's inspiration. So we're trying to use what we have instead of the need to buy all new stuff. And so also, you can tell with these like Gucci slide-on loafers, this is a little bit of an older outfit, but that doesn't matter. So let's start with, I love that it's an all-white base. So let's start by putting on some like longer-ish, Bermuda-ish. No, these aren't Bermuda. They're just like a white short, okay? Not booty shorts, if you will. So let's pop these guys on. Yeah, these aren't that long. They're just like, you know, normal denim shorts. Anyway, from Gap, some of my favorite denim shorts. Now we're gonna put on like kind of a, not like cropped tee, but it's called like the mini tee from Uniqlo. So let's put that on and then we'll build and style the outfit. I have yet to go and get like actual bras since getting my girls done. I've literally only just used bralettes, and I kind of want to go get like fitted for an actual bra. Not like a push-up bra, just like a, you know, an underwire bra that gives me a little bit more shape for when I want it. I mean, I'm still probably gonna wear bralettes 99% of the time because they're comfy and I like them, but it would be nice for certain tops to have like more of a structured bra. Anyway, okay, so base is on. Now, she has black accessories. I'm gonna do brown. I have a belt insanely similar to hers. I haven't worn this in a long time, so let's put this on and together. Oh, you guys, I get my hair done on Saturday and I literally can't wait. Does anyone else just feel like your hair just stops doing what it's supposed to do like the month before you get your hair done? And I had to change my date, so I'm even further out. But like, I just feel like my hair has just been like not doing what I want it to do. Just needs a cut. It needs a color badly. Okay, so let's see. I don't really know how to use this thing. We'll put it all together and we'll see how I like it, but yes. And now she has loafers on. I think I'm gonna go with my little boat shoes for my option of shoe instead of a loafer. I haven't worn loafers like that in like 7 years, 6 years, when I was pregnant with Arlo. Like truly, you guys. Okay, so base on. You can see she does, like I said, she does black, but we're gonna do all brown. And then she has a necklace on, and I can't find anything even remotely similar. Plus, I feel like it's a lot with like the tassels on the belt and the tassels on the shoes. And I don't have just like a simple gold necklace like she does. That would make sense. So, oh, this is really cute. I love navy and white together. This is actually adorable. What do you guys think? I think it turned out so cute. I forgot about this belt, so I'm so happy I was inspired. And that's kind of the beauty. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I was pulling this outfit, I was like, oh, I'll just do like a basic belt. And then I was like, no, girl, you have something so similar. And this instantly takes it from basic to like cool. You know what I mean? This was like so cheap here. I got this on Shein like years ago. And then she has more of like a shoulder type bag, but my brown suede one from Quince that I love. I've had this for a couple years now. It's like so good. Honestly, every year I'm like, I need the navy color. This might be the year I pull the trigger on the navy color, but this is the look. I think this is so cute. And now that I'm in it, I'm like, why didn't I wear this? And then I remembered, oh yeah, it's because I'm bleeding. Okay, that's why. Anyway, does anyone else just feel this like immense relief that once it comes though, that they're just like, oh, thank God, I'm about to feel normal again. You know what I mean? Like, I was waiting for the last 2 mornings. I'm like, come come on, start this process so we can get it over with, you know? Anyway, that was look number 1. I think we nailed it. Remember, inspiration, not replication. The navy and the shoes match the navy with the shirt. Okay, let's move on to look number 2. This one's definitely a little more fall, but I'm gonna try to make it kind of work. So let's do it. I'm also gonna try to film this video without making a giant disaster of my office because it's literally all I've been doing. And I really, this fall, once I get my outdoor projects done, which is a lot of outdoor projects that I need to get done, I'm gonna make this office come together because this is like such a cool space that I have, and I'm like just totally not doing anything with it, and I'm kind of over that. So I want to do something and make it fun and exciting. So anyway, I digress. Let's put on, we'll keep the white tee on because we're gonna need it for nothing, but we're just gonna keep it on because we're gonna put a sweater over this, so it doesn't really matter. Unless I switch around, yeah, we'll do that. So let's put on a pair of like casual, comfy jeans. I'm gonna do my Uniqlo JW Anderson ones, plus. So I just washed these. I always feel like stiff because I don't dry them. One of y'all gave me a good recommendation, just throw them in the dryer at the very end just to like kind of soften and warm them up, and that's such a good idea. Okay, so anyway, she has them cuffed. So we're gonna do a cuff. Cute. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna keep the tee on because I need it for another outfit, and I just don't feel like on and off in it. She's a pair of like rubber green, I think they're green and black or green and navy, I don't know, but I have these jelly ones that I'm gonna put on from H&M. They're so cute and very comfortable. I love the dark green, really fun. Okay, and now build. I think hers is like an actual like sweatshirt, but like I said, I'm gonna make it a point to buy a navy like crew neck sweatshirt, but I also have a crew neck sweater that I can use in the exact same way, and I just washed this too. Base on, and then she has a little like striped tee around the waist, and this serves no purpose besides just looking cute, okay? Just looking cute. And that it does look so freaking cute, okay? This is so good. I love. I wish it wasn't 99 degrees out because I would wear this right now. It's so freaking cute. I love a striped sweater around the waist. I think we're moving a lot away from the over the shoulders to around the waist, and I think it is more casual. I mean, I love both, don't get me wrong, but it adds like an element of a layer. And this was very 2000. Well, before that I was like 90s, and then I wore this a lot in the 2000s, like 2000, I don't know, 12 to something. Anyway, cute, love. Very good, very, very good. All right, let's move on. We're gonna switch it up. Let's move on to the next outfit. I'm going to do this because I can keep my white tee on. We're gonna layer. So, I'm gonna change out the jeans because she has more of a lower rise, so you can kind of see a little stomach with the cropped tee on. So we're gonna put on my 90s baggy from Target that I've had for, I don't even know how many years, and they're one of my favorite pairs of jeans. Let's put them on. So, little white tee. These are a little bit lower than my my JW Anderson. Very similar though. My makeup is looking really good today. What did I do? What'd you do? Okay. Yeah, let's take this off and we're gonna layer the new flannel that I got from the Gap. I love this flannel. I've already worn it like 3 times and it's not even cold out. But it's so lightweight that it's actually fine. I wore it over the top of like my workout shirt or workout outfit when I went into Gap the other day to exchange a pair of pants. I don't know if she has hers all cuffed. No, she kind of has hers like down, but I like mine cuffed so much more. So this is in a size medium. I probably would have just done a small. I would have think it would have given the same oversized look without being huge, but the medium's not bad. I have not washed this yet, and I bet it's cotton. 95% cotton. So it could shrink, but probably not a ton. But anyway, I always like to just kind of give it a little tuck off to the side or something, so it kind of like holds a little bit of shape. A tuck changes so much, okay? And then, like I talked a lot about in my fall outfits I can't wait to wear and things like that, jeans with flip-flops. Jeans with flip-flops. Girl, I almost took myself out. So cute, so good. Very grungy, but very cute. I love this. I don't know, I just think it's really good. It's so comfortable. And I think this is a good, very good early fall. Like once it starts getting into the 90s, I can wear this. I know you're like, what? And then when it's too hot, you just take this and do this, and you're good to go, you know? Okay, let's move on to the fourth and final look. This is an interesting one. Not something, I pinned this, but it's just something that I don't know how I will feel. So it's like a light wash pair of denim with a light plaid. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna put on my Goldie Lana straights. Oh, which I'm feeling a little bloaty jody for these today, but we'll see. I haven't worn them since I washed them, so they're definitely gonna be tight, but let's put them on and yeah, and we'll build the outfit. Okay, here's the other deal. Hers are more cropped, but I did not want fully cropped, okay? And then, these are such a good pair of jeans. What was I gonna say? The first Goldie pair of jeans that I ever bought, and truly, they're so good. They're a little, like I said, they're a little snug right now, but you know, we'll break them in. Okay. And then I'm pretty sure she has kitten heels on. Kitten, why did I say it like that? I'm just gonna go with flip-flops. Like kitten flip-flop heels is what she has, and I would never do that. So let's just get inspiration for an outfit that I would wear, which are a pair of brown leather flippies. And then let's put on this little light wash flannel. I feel like the lightweight flannel with the light wash denim is very, very 90s. She kind of has hers a little like unbuttoned. I don't know, I need to look at details. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. I grabbed a ponytail this time. Oh, Lordy, that was all. Finally remembered to grab a hair tie, which like never happens. But I remembered, and let's remember to keep it up here, but I know I won't because I'm gonna walk downstairs with it on. Okay, do a quick little bun. And then she actually has her sleeves fully buttoned, which I just like never do, but maybe this year I will, I don't know. It just feels like this one's also very large and in charge. I'm gonna cuff it a little because it's like very large. And I can see why she like did hers plain down because she was going a little more dressy with her outfit. I'm really not gonna go that dressy with it, but okay. I don't know if I love all those. Not that my jeans have that much room to tuck anything into at this given moment, because my uterus is taking up a lot of the tucking space. This is cute, actually. I like. This is why you just have to trust the process. And something I would be like, no, I would never do that. Cute. This is actually really cute. I'm a fan. I still wouldn't put kitten heels, flip-flop kitten heels on, but I would do this. And then I'd probably just bring, which is this another suede like bag. There's nothing in this, so it looks like so frumpy, but it's really not. It's beautiful. All right, and then choose some sunnies. What I've been doing in my life. Cute. casual, put together, so good. Love. All right, that was look numero 4. I hope you enjoyed a little intro to Pinterest fall outfits. Let me know what other fall outfits or fall videos you would like to see. I do have some hauls coming up, okay? I do. I found the most amazing pair of pants from H&M that I can't wait to tell you all about. Yeah, but I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.